This week, one company gave their users exactly what they wanted, and another company, they took it away. This is this week's Speed Agentic Digest. Let's go. First up, GitHub Copilot now has memory. This dropped January 15th. Copilot Memory is now in public preview for all paid plans. What does this mean? As you work with Copilot, whether it's the coding agents, code review, or CLI, it builds a repository-specific understanding of your code base. And what the coding agent learns helps performing code reviews. It's essentially shared intelligence. And they're being smart about it. Memories expire after 28 days, no stale context, and it's available now on all paid plans. If you're on Copilot, make sure to turn this on. But here's where things get interesting. While GitHub is giving users what they want, Anthropic did the exact opposite. If you're subscribed to Claude Max, that's $100 to $200 a month. And if you're using Opus with OpenCode, your workflow just broke. But here's the irony. The same week, GitHub announced official support for OpenCode. Two companies, opposite directions. And look at those numbers. $200 a month, no days of advance warning, Opus access just blocked. Anthropic quietly restricted Opus to first-party tools only. No announcement, no transition periods, and this quote sums it up perfectly. I upgraded to Claude Code Max literally days before this happened. $200 a month, and I can't even use the model I paid for. The community is clearly not happy. And honestly, I get it. But here's the real irony. The same week Anthropic locked down, GitHub opened up. As I said, two companies, two different directions. Now here's some good news for Claude Code users. This is the feature the community has been begging for. If you use MCP servers, you know the problem you were having. Some servers had 50+ tools, and users with 7 or more servers were burning anywhere between 60 to 70,000 tokens just on tool definitions before you even start working. That's insane. Now the new MCP tool search feature uses lazy loading. Only fetches tool definitions when you actually need them. And the results? 134,000 tokens down to 5,000 tokens. That's a 96% reduction. And how to enable it? It's on by default on version 2.1.7. If your tools currently exceed 10% of the context window, they auto-defer. This is exactly what users asked for. And on this one, Anthropic delivered. Speaking of open source, Claude Cowork just expanded from Max subscribers to Pro subscribers. You can think of Cowork as Claude Code for the rest of your work. Not coding, everything else. You can give Claude access to folders on your computer now, and it can read, edit, and create files, organize your downloads, create spreadsheets from scattered screenshots, draft reports from messy notes. And this was Max only when it launched, but now Pro subscribers can use it too. That's just $20 a month for all these new features. And as Anthropic said in their announcement, session renaming, connector improvements, and fixes based on early feedback, clearly Anthropic is not only listening, but they're also shipping. And speaking of open source, GitHub just made OpenCode official. OpenCode is an open source agent for your terminal, IDE, or desktop. Think Claude Code, but powered by your own existing Copilot subscription. To set it up, run /connect in OpenCode, select GitHub Copilot, complete the device login, and you're done. And the best part? No additional AI license needed. Pro, Pro Plus, Business, Enterprise, they all work. While one company is locking down, another one is clearly opening up. And the last main story, OpenAI Codex just got weird, but in a good way. Version 0.86.0 adds multi-conversation agent control. Your main session can now spawn or message other conversations programmatically. Plus, thread rollback. IDE clients can undo the last n turns. Made a mistake? Roll it back. And this brand new model is better at long horizon work, large refactors, and massive migrations. It's basically agents spawning more agents, and this is where things get wild. Alright, rapid fire. 3 quick hits. Windsurf Wave 13 has shipped. Comes with GPT 5.2 in it, Gemini 3 Pro preview, and priority processing at 50 tokens per second if you need guaranteed speed. Cursor published research on running agents autonomously for weeks at a time. Not hours, not days, weeks. Long-running autonomous coding is definitely coming. And Google's new universal e-commerce protocol, it works with MCP. AI agents doing your shopping is getting closer to reality. So quick recap, Copilot Memory, AI that learns your repos. Anthropic Drama, Opus that's now blocked for third-party tools. Claude Code, 96% token savings with MCP tool search. Claude Cowork, now available for Pro subscribers and not just on the Max plans. Copilot plus OpenCode, an official partnership. Codex Multi-Agent control, plus Windsurf, Cursor Research, and Google UCP. Quick shout out to this week's sponsor, the Agentic Academy. If you want to really master these tools, not just hear about them in a 5-minute digest, we've got the most complete training for you. 9 complete curriculums: Claude Code, Codex CLI, Gemini CLI, Copilot CLI, Cursor AI, and much more. Interactive modules, real-world projects, a massive quiz bank tailored to each of the individual curriculums, and at the end, certifications as well. And the cool part, we're giving away 100 free lifetime access codes. The code's here on the screen. You can also find it down in the description below. Make sure to go to agenticacademy.dev, click sign up, enter the codes. First 100 people get full access to all 9 curriculums and all future upgrades completely for free. That's your Agentic Digest for the week. If you want to stay on top of AI coding tools, throw this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.